Guys, papunta na ako dito sa ano, sa isang kasama namin na Bangladesh. Pag dumadaan ako dito, parang nasa mall ako na naamoy ko yung humidifier. Yun yung amoy. Ang bango. Amoy humidifier ng mall. Dito na ako. Dito kasi siya. Sa room, 129. Yan o. So, ang ipapakita ko lang dito is nagandahan talaga ako sa sa setup ng room. So, ito yung parang preference ko na rin. Kumbaga. Okay. Oh, here we go. This is my friend. Say hi.
Hello.
That's guys. My friend. Jahid. Yes. Yeah, okay. We're talking each other now. Because I'm
No breakfast meal.
and this is the setup that I want to rearrange, or this is the preference that I want to in my house soon. Yes, this is it. This is the living area. Yan. Ba't ako nag-i-English? English. Mali-mali naman yung grammar, charito. Basta yan yung living area, dito yung living area. Tsaka ito yung ganda ko, di ba? Pagka bukas mo ng pinto, this is yung pinto, ito yung agad na living area. So kapag maliit lang, kasi malaki to yung nila, yung sofa. So parang sa akin, lang, parang gagawin ko lang siyang maliit na sofa, and then parang may space pa dito na kung parang kakain kayo, yung folding na table, something like that, or doon. Tsaka dito yung flat screen na TV. Yan kayo manonood. And then, yan, meron din dyan sliding window. And then, punta tayo dito sa another corner. So, ito. Pag pumasok ka, dyan, meron siyang, kitchen. Parang mayroong kitchen. Then, that's the kitchen. Ito. Yan, may mga cabinet sa taas. There's the cabinet, and meron din sa baba. And then, the left side, ito yung pintuan ito. Is yan yung CR. This is the CR. Ganda ng CR. Yan. Yan. Yan yung CR. Labas tayo. At kapag ang sa likuran naman ito, yan, meron siyang space for kapag sinirado mo tong pinto. Meron siyang space for refrigerator and oven. May space, and then pwede ka dito maglagay ng dyan, yung mga stock na mga foods or what else, something like that. Right? Yan yan. Thank you for the lightning. And then this is the room. Yes, this is the room. This is the room. And this is my friend Jahid. He's ready for medical also, because we're going to medical this morning, and we're waiting for the call. Here's your stuff. There's stuff there. There's the bedroom, and also they have a sliding window, and you can see the Eiffel Tower, charot. The cabinet and the mirror. Okay, so that's it. That's my preference for, okay. So guys, that's it for now. That's the room that I want to make in my home in the Philippines. So that's the preference that I want. Okay, so thank you. I hope you like it. Bye bye.